let us discuss vertical analysis, also known as common size analysis. Unlike horizontal analysis, which compares years, vertical analysis focuses on the composition of a single financial statement. Every account is expressed as a percentage of a base amount. For the statement of financial position, which will be discussed later, the base amount is total assets. For the statement of financial performance, which will also be discussed later, the base amount is total revenue or net sales. For example, suppose total revenue is 100,000 and cost of goods sold is $62,000. We divide $62,000 to $100 and multiply by 100. This tells us that the cost of goods sold represents 60% of total revenue. Converting amounts into percentage makes financial statement easier to compare even when companies have different sizes.